Hey everybody, my name is Susie Weinrich and welcome to Mom's Dinner. Here we help adults feel successful at dinner time. So if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you subscribe to the channel. Today we're actually going to do a side dish that we're going to have with our dinner tonight. We're going to have barbecue ribs and I want a little crunchy, tangy side dish to go with it. So I'm going to make an old-fashioned one called a cucumber and onion salad. We're gonna mix these two and then we're gonna make kind of like a sweet vinegary pickle that's gonna go on top of that. It's gonna marinate in the fridge and then it's gonna be ready to go for dinner. So stick around today. We're making cucumber and onion salad for dinner. We're gonna start this cucumber and onion salad by making the pickling vinegar mixture. It starts with a rice vinegar. You may find it called rice wine vinegar or seasoned rice vinegar in the grocery store. The seasoned just means that it has a little bit of sugar in it. So if you can, just get plain rice vinegar. It's gonna start with a half a cup, pour that into a little saucepan, add a half a cup of sugar, and then we need half a teaspoon of celery seed, not celery salt. Finally, we'll add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, get that all stirred together, and you're gonna bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 30 seconds. You'll see we've got a little time lapse here. Give it one last stir, and then you can just let it cool to the side while we get the cucumbers ready. For this recipe, I like to use a hothouse or English style cucumber because it has a little bit thinner skin that you don't need to peel. You want to chop it into nice thin slices, probably about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. And if you have a mandolin, you can absolutely use that. It will make really quick work of it. You need about 4 cups. Now, if you use a regular cucumber or a garden cucumber, you may want to peel it or peel it in stripes. Now we're going to cut up the onion. I like to cut it in half, peel it, and then I actually run my onion under a little bit of cool water, kind of separating the layers. That makes your onion a little less strong so it doesn't overpower the whole salad. You're going to cut your onion into slices about the same thickness as the cucumber, and then we're going to pour over that vinegar and celery seed liquid right over the cucumbers and onions. Give it a couple really good stirs so that liquid coats everything, and you're ready to go. All right. That's all there is to this recipe. It's so easy to put together and it's so delicious. You do want to make sure that you allow for a little bit of marinating time. 8 to 12 hours in the fridge. If you're in the fridge, give it a little stir every once in a while and then it will be ready for you to have with dinner. So I hope that you make this old-fashioned cucumber and onion salad with your dinner sometime. And if you do, please connect with me in the comments and let me know how you liked it. And as always, I hope that this recipe helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We'll see you next week.